Matter in our surrounding, its state and characteristics. Matter is the substance that makes up everything in the physical universe. It exists in various states and possesses specific characteristics that define its behavior and properties. States of matter. Matter can exist in three primary states: solid, liquid, and gas. A fourth state, known as plasma, is also relevant under specific conditions. Solid. In the solid state, particles are closely packed together and have a fixed shape and volume. The particles vibrates in place but do not move around each other. Solid have a definite geometric arrangement of molecules and maintain their shape under normal conditions. Liquid. In the liquid state, particles are still close together but they can move past one another. Liquids have a definite volume but they take the shape of their container. They do not have a fixed geometric arrangement and the molecules are more free to move than in solid. Gas. In the gaseous state, particles are widely spaced and have high energy. Gases do not have a fixed shape or volume. They take both the shape and volume of their container. Gas particles are in constant motion and move independently of each other. Plasma. Plasma is a high energy state of matter that occurs at extremely high temperature. It consists of ionized particles, atoms that have lost or gained electrons, and is often found in stars and other highly energized environments. Plasma does not have a fixed shape or volume and can conduct electricity. States of matter. Characteristics of matter. Matter possesses several characteristics that help define its nature and behavior. Mass. Matter has mass, which is a measure of the amount of material in an object. Mass is usually measured in units like kilograms or grams. Volume. Matter occupies space, and this occupied space is referred to as volume. Volume can be measured in cubic meters or cubic centimeters. Density. Density is the ratio of an object's mass to its volume. It indicates how tightly packed the matter is within an object. The formula for density is mass divided by volume. Physical properties. These are characteristics of matter that can be observed or measured without changing the substance's identity. Examples include color, texture, odor, melting point, boiling point, and conductivity. Chemical properties. These describe how matter behaves in a reactions and interactions with other substances. Chemical properties involve changes in the composition and identity of matter, such as its reactivity with acids, bases, or other chemicals. State changes. Matter can change from one state to another through processes like melting, freezing, vaporization, condensation, and sublimation. These changes occur due to alterations in temperature and pressure. Particle arrangement and motion. The arrangement and motion of particles in matter contribute to its state and characteristics. In solids, particles are tightly packed and vibrate. In liquids, particles move more freely. In gases, particles move rapidly and independently. Temperature has a significant effect on the behavior and properties of matter. It directly influences the movement and energy of particles within a substance, which in turn affects its state, volume, density, and various other characteristics. Let's explore how temperature impacts matter in different states. Solid state. As temperature increases, the particles in a solid gain energy and vibrate more vigorously around their fixed positions. At a certain temperature called the melting point, the solid will begin to change into a liquid. This is the point at which the particles have enough energy to overcome the attractive forces holding them in a fixed arrangement. Liquid state. Rising temperature increases the kinetic energy of liquid particles, causing them to move faster and spread apart slightly. At the boiling point, the liquid turns into a gas. This happens when the particles gain enough energy to break the intermolecular forces and escape the liquid's surface. Gas state. Temperature has a direct relationship with the kinetic energy of gas particles. Higher temperatures mean greater kinetic energy and faster movement of particles. Lowering the temperature of a gas reduces its kinetic energy, causing the particles to slow down and come close together. If the temperature becomes extremely low, gases can condense into liquids and then freeze into solids due to reduced kinetic energy. Plasma state. In plasmas, temperature is extremely high, causing the particles to become ionized due to the breaking of electrons from atoms. The energy at such high temperatures overcomes the strong forces holding atoms together, and the matter becomes a highly energetic mixture of charged particles. In addition to state changes, temperature also affects other properties of matter, volume and density. Generally, as matter is heated, its volume tends to increases due to the expansion of particles. Conversely, cooling can lead to contraction and decreased volume. Density may also change due to alterations in volume and mass. Conductivity. Higher temperature can increase conductivity of some material as hotter particles tend to move more vigorously and facilitate the transfer of energy or charge. Chemical reactions. Temperature plays a vital role in chemical reactions. Higher temperature often lead to faster reaction rates as particles have more energy to overcome active energy barriers. Color and emission. In some cases, temperature can affect the color and light emission of matter. For instance, when solids are heated to high temperature, they can emit visible light as seen in red hot metal. Overall, temperature is a critical parameter that governs the behavior and characteristics of matter. It's a key factor in understanding how substances transform and interact in various environments. Thank you.